In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate averages in Looker Studio, whether you're opting to use the built-in AVG function or prefer to create custom averages using calculated fields. To begin with, let's dive into using the built-in AVG function. This is perfect for those straightforward average calculations where you just need a simple way to compute results without any convoluted processes. The AVG function in Looker Studio is quite straightforward. The formula you'll use is simply AVG followed by your field name in parentheses. What this function does is it calculates the average of all values in the specific numeric field you've selected. It's pretty handy for quick calculations if you want to gather basic insights from your dataset. There are some important notes to keep in mind with this method. First and foremost, make sure that your field is unaggregated. This means its aggregation should be set to none. Why is this important? Well, Looker Studio needs to see raw values in your field to compute an average correctly. Moreover, avoid the temptation to nest aggregations, such as trying to do something like AVG sum value. This will typically cause errors because Looker Studio doesn't support nesting aggregations of this type, and you'll end up with incorrect calculations or error messages. Now let's explore how you can apply this AVG function effectively. You have two main options here, at the data source level and at the chart level. At the data source level, you might find it convenient to set a field's default aggregation to average if you anticipate using this function frequently. This will save you time in the future, as you won't have to select this every time you utilize that field in a new chart. At the chart level, things are equally simple and intuitive. You'll want to head over to the chart's Setup panel. Here, locate your chosen metric, which is basically the field you're analyzing, and look for the option to select Average as the aggregation method. By doing this, you're instructing Looker Studio to automatically calculate and display the average for this field whenever you're viewing or interacting with your chart. By following these guidelines around using the AVG function, you'll find it much easier to compute averages within Looker Studio, giving you a solid foundation for analyzing data effectively. Whether you're preparing a report or diving into data analytics, mastering these basics will set you up for success. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in upcoming videos as we continue to explore the various features and functionalities of Looker Studio. Happy averaging!